I'm Brad Buckles. I'm the producer of the Hawaii Bridal Expo. We've been in business for 23 years, producing bridal shows for that time period twice a year at the Blaisdell, January and July. All the information about the Bridal Expo is available at bridesclub.com. Most brides who attend the show like to see the show face-to-face. They enjoy the opportunity to interact with the vendors, with the professionals that are going to help them plan their perfect day. They'd like to be able to meet you, talk with you, sample your food, look at your photo albums, take a look at the various different fabrics that you'll be bringing for them. If you're a vendor, you like to participate during the expo because you get a chance to meet with the brides, find out what their personality is like, find out the brides that will be cohesively working with you one-on-one throughout the wedding time period. Luckily, for the last 23 years, Hawaii Bridal Expo has led the industry on the face-to-face marketing that brides will do in the islands for their wedding. There is no other. The Hawaii Bridal Expo is the only place where you can come, meet with this many vendors, meet with this many brides in a face-to-face opportunity, shake their hand, give them a big hug, local style, and tell them thank you for their business.